Aam Aadmi Party has made a big claim. They are now saying Swati Maliwal is in touch with the Bharatiya Janata Party. There is a case against Swati Maliwal by the Anti-Corruption Bureau. An FIR has been filed and a probe is underway. And using this, Swati Maliwal has been made a pawn in this entire conspiracy. The conspiracy is being hatched by Bharatiya Janata Party and it is against Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये जो फॉर्मूला है कि अलग अलग नेताओं पे केस करना, उसी फॉर्मूले को स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर इस्तेमाल किया गया होगा। उन पर जो एसीबी का केस चल रहा है, जो इलीगल रिक्रूटमेंट डीसीडब्ल्यू में केस चल रहा है, उस पर धमकी देके स्वाति मालीवाल जी से शायद ही करवाया गया। स्वाति मालीवाल जी के कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स की जांच होनी चाहिए। हमें ये विश्वसनीय सूत्रों से पता चला है कि पिछले कुछ महीनों से वो लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं से संपर्क में है। अगर दिल्ली पुलिस निष्पक्ष है, अगर दिल्ली पुलिस भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक राजनीतिक हथियार नहीं है, तो फिर अगले 2 घंटे में दिल्ली पुलिस विभव कुमार जी की शिकायत पर एफआईआर दर्ज करेगी, ट्रेसपासिंग का एफआईआर दर्ज करेगी, धमकाने का एफआईआर दर्ज करेगी, सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच का एफआईआर दर्ज करेगी, असॉल्ट का एफआईआर दर्ज करेगी। तो दिल्ली पुलिस निष्पक्ष है कि नहीं है, वो इस बात से पता चलेगा कि विभव कुमार जी की कंप्लेंट का होता क्या है।
My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining me on the story from right outside Arvind Kejriwal's house. Shreya, the big question is, will Delhi police be visiting the Chief Minister's house again today for further investigation?
Well, Aishwarya, there is a probability of the Delhi police visiting the residence of the Chief Minister, given that this place itself is the crime scene. Now, yesterday, for over 5 hours, the Delhi police team was present inside the Chief Minister's residence. They came at around 4:30 and there was an advanced FSL team that also accompanied the Delhi police team while Swati Maliwal was inside to recreate the crime scene. They've already taken the CCTV dumps of the entry and the camp office area. What we're also learning from our sources that there's no CCTV inside the drawing room. So what transpired inside will mostly be relied upon the statements that have been recorded of those who were present when the incident took place on the 13th of May. So there's a probability of the Delhi police knocking on the doors once again. As of now, if you talk about what the Delhi police is doing, they are constantly monitoring the coordinates of Vibhav Kumar. Remember, the kind of sections that have been invoked in the FIR filed by Swati Maliwal includes the likes of 308, 354B. These are stringent sections which Vibhav Kumar can't really escape. So we will be seeing Vibhav Kumar taken to the books very soon. And it's also important to point out that today Arvind Kejriwal in all likelihood will be returning to the capital because of his rallies that have been scheduled. So once again, a busy and hectic day from the side of Delhi police expected in this particular case.
Thank you, Shreya, for giving us all those details. My colleague is standing right outside Arvind Kejriwal's house and it seems like that there is a possibility of Delhi police personnel visiting the house once again for further investigation.